So, in this lecture, I am going to add some supplementary video regarding earlier lecture because there is some error in calculations at two steps, at 2 points. So, let us have a look at that. What are the mistakes that I made in those lectures in the earlier lecture? So, first of all, let me go to the equation number 5. It's commented by some student. Here basically I have to multiply both sides, so not by h square by c square, but I have to multiply with minus 1 over h cross square c square, and when I multiply this equation with this factor, then this equation I am getting, means then the equation number 6 can be obtained, right? So this is the one correction which I try to make. So it is the one correction to the earlier lecture, and this lecture is basically uh, relating to yeah, this is the title of the lecture, right? Let us Klein-Gordon equation interaction with the electromagnetic field, and here I am moving towards the problem of hydrogen atom. And then there is another mistake which I made roundabout equation number 9. So yeah, let me recapitulate it, that where I have mistaken. Uh, Let me go to the next page. Yeah, I think it will be somewhere here. Okay. Yeah, error will be somewhere here, right? So let me make some correction to it for this part, at this part. So let me correct it as 2e over h cross c. I am looking at this part. It is z e square over h cross c, and it is 1 by r. And this I can write down it as, because this is 2e over H cross C, and let me call this as gamma, as I have defined it earlier. Yeah, it is LD square y. This is gamma, so it is gamma and 1 by R. Now, and 1 by R now, let me correct it. So it is, as I know that this what we call this alpha R is equal to rho. So 1 by R can be written as rho over alpha, not 1 by R is equal to, sorry, it is 1 by R. So alpha over rho is equal to 1 by R. So that means using this here, I can write down it's 2e over H cross C gamma. It is alpha y rho, and if I will do this thing 2e over H cross C, then it is gamma over alpha rho, and it is alpha is already there, and if I multiply it with, then both will remain the same. So that means, and I can write down that 2e over H cross C, it is gamma, and it is gamma, and lambda is basically this one. So keeping this in mind, I will do one thing, gamma over alpha I have done in this way and divided by, and alpha, this is alpha square, right, and upon rho will be there, and we call this as lambda. So that means that 2e over H cross C ZE square means H cross C square, because this is this over R is equal to lambda over rho alpha square, right? So this we have substituted in the next equation. If we go to the next page, then here basically it is alpha square should be there, right? And then alpha square will cancel out from every term, because alpha square is sitting with every term. It is sitting with this, this, and this, and multiplying both sides by the alpha square. So that means these are the little substitution which I have to make in this equation, right? So this is the little correction which I want to make to the earlier lecture, right? So that's all, and sorry for